Hi everyone, welcome to It's Funke Teaches. Yay! On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create cloning effects just like this. This effect is very important because it's going to give your videos viral views. If you create skits, it can bring you more followers on either the shorts videos, on TikTok, on Facebook, Instagram, and all that. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like and comment if this video was helpful, and do not forget to watch till the end so that you do not miss any of the steps required of you to create your next best cloning video. Now let's get into it. First thing first, we need two clips. One which you are at an angle in front of a wall, or I'll use this my video as a description. So go to your CapCut, bring in your video where you walk in this way, and as if you're speaking to the camera, just like I am doing, and then you suddenly look at the other way. Can you see that? So speak, say something, look the other way, like you're about to speak to somebody who just came interrupting your video, and then that's all you need on your first clip. Okay, and this beginning of the clip is not needed at all where you walked in. So what we do is to split and delete. So if you can see what I'm doing, I'm about to speak at this point, so I'll just split. Can you see split and delete the first part? So let's listen.
Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing
Exactly. So this is all we need. And
like I was saying,
exactly like I was saying, at that point we delete the end as well because we don't need that part, so delete. There you go. And we have to bring in the second clip, which I'm going to show you now. So tap the plus sign and bring the second clip. So we have the second clip, and it's actually coming to the front, but I can rearrange it and now I have the second clip here. You can see as well the beginning I have walked in. I don't need all that part, so I'm gonna have to do a split from the first few minutes where I walked in and delete. Now let's see what's happening.
like I was saying,
Can you see that? That is the part I need. Okay, and walk out. So let's just walking out and then delete this end part as well. Delete, split and delete, don't forget. And so you activate the second clip, just tap on it this way, tap on it and find overlay, which means it's gonna overlay the first one. You come to the bottom typically, and then use your index finger to move it almost to the beginning of the first clip, but let me show you the exact point where you move it, where it has to start from. So this is not the right one. So like you can see in the first clip, I am talking to the camera and suddenly I look sideways. Okay, not yet showing. So the point where I look sideways is where I'm targeting. Okay, so let me have a look here.
I'm going to be showing
exactly. So the moment I say I'm going to be showing you, I look sideways and the other clip showed. That is the exact point where I want it. Don't forget, don't miss it. It's very important. So next we want to click on the overlaid clip and go to mask. When you click on it, you find the options on the bottom. The second to the last option before transcript, this is mask. You click horizontal because our frame is horizontal. So horizontal. Can you see that yellow line? Now we're going to drag it. I could drag it like our life depends on it. So you use your thumb. I use my thumb, or you can use any of your fingers, most comfortable, and do a twist around like this. The two photos must show clearly. The two images have to show clearly. Yeah, something like this. The hand shouldn't cut. And we need to feather. Yeah, feather it. You see that black arrow? That's the feather. Yeah, just to smoothen it out. So there are no, patches. So I've just done that. Now I click and we have this. However, it's too close. That's why I said leave it a lot of gap in between, but unfortunately it's not exactly the same on this video. So but there is a way out. So click on that overlaid one and probably adjust, move it a bit farther from the other one. Now let's see. The reason is that you don't want the hands clashing while they speak, or the mouth is too close to another. Okay, so now let's view.
Showing
Exactly, can you see it's clashing? The chest and the fingers. It doesn't look real that way. So should we make her taller or shorter? Let's see again.
showing
Oh yeah, it's clashing. So we'll do another one. Probably make her shorter. Let's see again.
showing
Yeah, this is fair. So just to save time, I'm going to skip this part. I believe you understand what I mean. Okay, so I've done it off the camera and it's now perfect. The same process, just that I know I don't want the video to be too long. So now we have a perfect, or yeah, perfect or near perfect, however you think. Yeah, so that's it. And so we need a little bit of drama where the other person came in. So I would have to put some, dramatic animation. So click on activate again by clicking on the second one. And if you can see animation just in between delete and effect. So click on animation and we'll find bounce, bounce in, bounce in, bounce in, bounce in, something like that. Let's find bounce in. Oh yeah, so we got one bounce in, bounce one. So click on bounce one and let's see how that goes. Let's just play it. Bounce one. Let's see. Can you see? Yeah, it's not more regular. Like it bounced. She bounced in. To add more drama, let's find the sound to it. That dramatic sound. So unactivate by clicking on any part, just that black area, and audio. Let's find sound effects and let's find drama, uh, dramatic entrance. If there's anything like that, says dramatic now, or let's say entrance, entry sound. That makes more sense. And I can find one. So let's listen to this. No, that is, yeah. So let's use this other one. So add to it and let's see.
I'm going to show you
Exactly. So it's too long. We should delete the end part. So activate it and delete. I already showed you how to do that. It's very easy.
showing
Exactly. And that's basically it. That is just it. Yeah. So tell me what you think. Have you learned something from this video? Please comment in the comment box. And what would you like me to teach you next that regards to editing, monetization on the platforms? do comment it and I'll do my best to make a video on it. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.